Remove the 710-watt spindle. Remove the spindle power cable. Replace with the 2.2 kilowatt spindle power cable. Leave approximately 35 centimeters of cable slack for spindle movement. Secure the drag chain underneath the bracket. Replace the control box. Plug the motor cables into the matching labeled ports. Install the 2.2 kilowatt spindle. Retighten the screws with the wrench. Spindle wiring installation. Pass the spindle power cable through the waterproof cable gland. Remove the nuts and washers. Connect the wires in this order: black, blue, and brown. Tighten the waterproof cable gland securely.